Hi there! Thanks for stopping by. Today, Ryan and I will go through how to assemble Fisher-Price jumper roof. Then, we will finish with the bonus tip on how to clean the seat cover. Unfortunately, you're gonna find this tip very handy. By the way, we also did two other videos on this jumper roof. One on how to temporarily fold or permanently dismantle this jumper roof. And second, on how to adjust the height of the jumper roof as the baby grows. If you're interested in these videos, I put the link to these videos like here, and also in the description below. But for now, let's focus on how to assemble and also the bonus tip on cleaning the seat cover. Let's jump into it. Coming up. These are the parts in the box. Check if you have all of them. First, install the batteries in the electronic toy. You need 3 AA batteries. I highly suggest installing the batteries before putting together all the parts. Now we install all these 4 toys in the jumper seat ring. All we need to do is to push them down until you hear the click sound, and you're good to go. Grab 2 hinge bases. Make sure they are identical and don't use the large base. We are going to make a half circle. Push down the bottom, put it inside until you hear a click. Grab the small base. Push down the bottom, put it inside until you hear a click. Now we connect the large hinge. Lift the bigger piece and push it down until it snaps to the place. Now we have a full circle. This step is a little tricky. They made it confusing. Grab the seat piece, turn it over, make sure the star is toward you. Take the seat pad and make it inside out. Look for the 2 yellow markings. These yellow slots connect to the bottom side of the seat with the star marking. First, pull the pad through the seat and wrap it around the outside of the seat like this. Now take the slides with the yellow marking and connect them to the buttons on the seat. Now go around the seat and fit the other 6 slots to the buttons on the seat. By the way, if you're getting value out of this video, please hit the like button and consider subscribing to this channel. It will really help us out. Thank you for the support. Now, let's connect the seat to the frame. Grab the frame and the seat with the cover. These clips on the seat will connect to the frame. Insert the seat and push it down until it snaps to the place. Pull up the seat to make sure it is secure. Now connect the legs of the frame to the base. Push the bottom and slide the leg in until you hear the snaps. Do this for the other legs as well. Very soon you need to take the seat pad off for cleaning. This bonus point is on how to quickly take the seat pad off. Turn the frame. These are 3 clips on the seat that connects the seat to the frame. Release them like this. Now unbutton the seat pad and you're good to go. After you finish cleaning, rewind this video a little bit to see how to put the seat pad back on. By the way, check out these other videos about the Fisher-Price Jumperoo. First one is on how to fold and disassemble the Jumperoo, and the second one is on how to adjust the height of the Jumperoo. Last but not least, if you got value out of this video, please hit the like button and consider subscribing to this channel.